Somebody keep your whoa, and I can't like me, just wanna have fun on. But you a pre-relationship, and that's a no for me. Love for me, sing it on for me. Yeah, physical down. Whoa, yeah.
Boom, back again. We are the Irie Trees, and this is the Irie Trees series. A series of 15-minute reasonings of trending topics, burning topics, and we try to get them done, share our thoughts in 15 minutes. No more, no less. And thank you guys if you have joined us after listening to one of the first episode of our reasoning. Seen? And what is today's topic? Today's topic is Shenseea underrated in Jamaica? And we have today, as usual, we're going to see Tony Hill from the Yardman Podcast, Davian from the Yardman Podcast, and we have London Yardy TV here as well.
Oh, mad.
Share your thoughts, guys. London Yardy, what do you think Shenseea is underrated in Jamaica? Is she overrated? If anything,
she massively underrated.
Yes,
in my opinion, because to me, she's one of the most talented, if not the most talented female artist right now in the game.
Mm-hmm.
Trust me. Lyrically, she bad.
Yeah.
Clarity, she bad. Performance on stage, she bad. She have the image, she have everything.
Yeah.
You have one song where she called Chicken Treat. Bro, I first female me see on one rhythm where have all the artists them on it. And she kill the rhythm. She take the rhythm. And you have that
so?
about, yeah man, move all of them on the rhythm. Enough big artists and she take the rhythm. The song named Chicken Treat. Bad artist. Yeah man, she massively underrated. You know, anyway,
see some of her freestyle them. I see some of her freestyle, see her one of her freestyle them, and she have talent still. But when we say underrated, we kind of have to make it a certain way. I mean, she not get enough props so she get.
Yeah.
She not get enough ratings a yard what she's supposed to get.
So by underrated, we mean that she not getting the props she's supposed to get. She not getting the yeses that she's supposed to get. She's not getting the support what she's supposed to get from Jamaicans. Right?
But that's a cultural thing, you know, bro.
You think so?
I feel so. I feel like she gonna get enough more attention overseas than she probably get at Jamaica. Because in a Jamaica, we have this thing where we have, if somebody have too much of a light skin, we look up to them and we want to be them and we bleach and try to be them. But when them out there have the success, then we start pre them feed. And say because them only pretty, because them only have the light skin, because them come from a better background or something. It's never out that place where them say, yo, them gonna judge her by her talent alone. You get me I say? And then you have the dancehall sector where so divided, where people don't feel like so them can rate multiple artists at the same time. People feel like say if them say one side, them can't say the next side, them can't like the artist and the artist at the same time. So it's hard for she unite the crowd. The only artist them can really do that is a reggae artist. People say, yo, them rate the reggae artist. Everybody will rate the reggae artist. Yeah. But when it comes to a dancehall artist, I feel like the crowd just split. And that split there, it happened with the woman them as well. Like, for instance, you have people rate Spice. Right? But now compare the two of them in that case. That case I just post here. But just like you have Spice fans, them are just Spice fans. Like we have Gaza fan, them are Gaza fan. You have Gully fan, a Gully fan. You have Vendetta fan, them are Vendetta fan. You'll never hear them say, oh, rate Movado if me's a Gaza fan, or rate Alkaline if me's a Gaza fan, or something like that. You see what I say? So that have a lot to play with it. So I feel like it's more the fan base so divided. It's hard for she get the full ratings from everybody. Hard for she get the full push from Jamaica. And also, as I'm saying, the color of skin and she facts she pretty. You gonna hear people come out and say, I choose she pretty. I choose she have light skin, that's why she do it. them not gonna say, "Oh, I choose you're Jamaican."
Well, Davian, I don't want to be the one to say it, but I will be the one to say it. All of those factors that you just name about our image, it give you a great push. Because believe it or not, when people see you as beautiful, them kind of try to listen what you say, them pay more attention to you, and it's like them kind of more attracted to you. Her image, I would say, is basically more than half the percentage of why she have her success. And being in the world that we are now, in the musical atmosphere that we are, your image is very important. It's not like in the 90s or the 80s when you didn't have social media, so people never really see you. People used to hear Bounty Killer sing, and them used to hear about Bounty Killer, and them just want to see Bounty Killer because of Bounty Killer, him talents. You know, but because of the dawn of social media, she can use her looks to an advantage. And at first sight, you can't even say she's Jamaican. Right? Looking at her, you wouldn't put her on the same map as a Jamaican.
And them would have said she's not fully Jamaican because she's half Korean as well.
That too.
But you
So-
remember,
Wait. Hold on, Rasta. Hold on. May I get your chance, man. Wait. But watch her now. She is, if anything, overrated. You know? Her talent is, I won't say mid, because I will never try to discredit anybody's talent. But her image push her talent. Her
So
image
you
is a driving force.
Yeah, so she have enough pretty privilege.
A lot, more than a lot. And girls love her, the man them love her, people from overseas love her. And as me say, first look at her, you could never tell she's a Jamaican. And that is another thing that will give her a push also. Apart from being talented. So I feel like her image more than half her success. Yes.
With Shenseea. Two reasons why Shenseea not get the ratings that she forget a job.
Yeah.
She not have we talked about it last week on the first series that we do.
Yeah.
About downtown and uptown privilege.
Uptown.
Yeah. Shenseea have a downtown story.
No, she have one.
No. In the sense where you see the reason why Jamaican love Shelly and Fraser, apart from her talent, her story, her mother's run from dog and the struggle in the ghetto. Even though Shenseea tell them I struggle, them still deaf to it.
Yeah.
And then the next reason, because she don't give Vibes Cartel, it's like an alkaline thing. She don't give Vibes Cartel the credit in her first part about the Loodi song, if you don't remember.
Yeah, man. You know that song there.
See, that Loodi something there make a lot of Jamaicans don't like her because them feel like she use Vibes Cartel and never give him the real props. That's a part of the reason why they don't give her the rating in the yard in her street. In my opinion, they can be wrong.
Yeah. Tony, you say something that I'm gonna feel like you kind of fuck up in a way. Is it
Tell
me?
me what I say.
You speak on her image, dog, and you say her image get her far more than her talent. But we look upon it from the outside. We don't know how truly talented she is. You see me?
Yeah.
I feel like because she's pretty, she's not supposed to get punished for that. She never have no control over that. Or she'll get punished because she's pretty, dog, and because of that work for her that the people gravitate to.
Yo.
Feel like we're punish her for that. I feel like sometimes as personally we bad mind somebody because I'm pretty, dog.
Yeah.
People will look upon you and say,
What, you come a bad mind, David?
No, me not say you, bro. Me not say you, but me feel like people look upon somebody who talented and say because them good looking, that a drive them career, not them talent.
The ramp with ugly people, Is it ugly people? Ugly people, We eat it for nothing, like how you made it ugly, No, serious, man. That's ugly people skin, man. And Shenseea face enough of that something there. I know she make no ugly. And she can't do nothing for her pretty self. I just say it go.
Yeah, I really talk.
And you can't make she feel bad because she pretty. And you feel bad because you're ugly. Do something about it.
You see me I say? Don't even say about that, dog, guys. I know say, yo, I know you're pretty deeper than the skin.
Yeah. But the image thing, the ugly and the pretty kind of thing, as Davian said, you can't really blame somebody because they're pretty. That is true. But if you can show me say because somebody pretty can get further than somebody ugly in a society, it means there's something wrong with the society and wrong with the mentality of the people. You know what I say? It should not be that me and you have the same caliber as an artist and me I go get you faster than you just because me have a better image or me have a prettier look. It should not be that way, but it's just the context of the music and what we have to face. It's just the facts, you know what I'm saying?
So
You want to see me and a pretty girl that go in a club.
Yeah.
And when me I walk through and she skip a line, you want to see ugly girl in face. You can't stay there, pretty get in a club.
No, but we're
ugly
still
on the line.
But we join the line. But we are trying to say, yo, it might be a unfair advantage, or it might just be to our advantage. I'm not gonna say unfair because it's natural. She never. Me don't know if she do any enhancements or anything, but she born that way there, and she live that way there. Just because somebody not have the looks and them not get through them for eat her feet or don't give her props. Cause she might be even talented than the ones them when have the looks, you know, bro. And we are overlooked that, you know. Right now, but I say Shenseea young in the business still. She still have a lot to
very young.
Musically, she young.
Yeah.
There's so much room for growth for her. Even if she no see everyone, even the bad haters, them see it there.
Mm-hmm.
Them see it. Say, yo, Shenseea can be that person next. You know the way she take her career forward. The shows them when she do. She all rounded as well, man.
Yep.
She bad, man. She perform. You know, I'm not taking nothing from the woman them, you know that, but and every woman can perform on a stage, you know. And every man. No for artists nowadays can perform on a stage, and she perform on a level where it's so professional. It's refreshing to see Jamaican artists doing that.
She not have a skin out.
It's refreshing. But I thought it's refreshing. It's refreshing. It's refreshing to see a woman on stage in our prime, in our peak, perform well. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Enough Jamaican artists, them go up on the stage, them have to try to do something too exaggerated, or them just know live up the scratch and just stay there. I sing over lyrics and point out Mike. But she realizes it's a different level of professionalism she have to carry to the game. She overseas, I feel like that kind of help her too. The overseas.
She have a nice voice.
Again, it helped the image. Being overseas, looking pretty, going out with rubbing shoulders with these celebrities. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. It make you more palatable to the audience. All of these things, and she used them to her advantage.
You always tell me, dog, iron sharp iron. Sometimes Jamaica is a stage in your career you have to graduate from and go overseas if you want to make the next level. As much as it's on, the music career in Jamaica capped at a certain level, and if you want to beat the cap, you have to go out in a different areas, go explore it, man. And she'll do it. Because to be honest, if she did that in Jamaica, the Jamaican shows,
can't full her belly.
How much show you can go a week time, bro? Jamaica so small. If me see her in a month, you get too much in the people them face, and then them start eat you, them not rate you again. The scarcity gone.
Let me just respect the girl and give her the love and make she know she her next face of dancehall.
Yeah.
She's a natural face of dancehall.
Yeah, she wanna wee, man. You know?
And that was the topic, guys. Thank you for joining. Leave your remarks in the comments.
Yeah, man, and check out
your complaint.
No, one thing with reasoning, there's always multiple sides to it. Yeah. I don't say you wrong or me right. Everybody have a thought. Put your opinion down. You know.
And that was the Irie Tree.